Okay, so I've got a new toy. What is it? It's another phone. Hello again. Welcome back to What's My Fault. As I said, I've got a new phone. I've always liked the bigger phones, like the Galaxy Notes and the Fold, and so on. Which is, the previous phone was actually the Fold 5, which is by here. The Fold 5. And it has the S Pen and everything else, because I've always liked the S Pen. So it was time for an upgrade, because I get to upgrade every year. I can't afford to buy a new phone, so I have to wait until my contract allows me to. I've got an anytime, so after a year, it's a free upgrade. So that's what I've done. But I've decided to go with this one for change. I'll do a video explaining and comparing the two, but I wanted something different. So let's open this sucker up and have a look. So I've not opened this before. As you can see, I'm peeling off all the tabs. I'm excited because I've wanted to try one of these for a while, but I didn't, because I was kind of focused on the Fold instead. Alright, so. Oh, there it is. Shiny, shiny. Well, actually, it's matte finish, but there you go. Let's have a look. What do we have here in this little box? So we have USB-C, USB-C, obviously no charging brick, all the documentation, and a SIM removable card. That's fine. That's one side. The phone itself. Nothing else in there. Fairly small package, not a lot in it. So here is the phone itself with all the stuff over it. The size. Let's have a look first, the size compared with the Z Fold. So that's the Fold. That's the Flip. So we can see the size difference. Yeah, it's that way around. It's actually unfolded Flip and folded up Fold are very, very similar in size, which is quite nice. So let's take that off. Oh, that's quite sticky. Oh, look at that. It's lovely. And take that one off. I'm very intrigued with this because I like the idea of the selfie mode on the camera, which I quite like. Let's try pushing up for the first time. Obviously, I need to set it up and so on. Hopefully, it's got a little bit of battery charge. Has it really got no battery? Seriously? No battery at all. Well, that's kind of disappointing. Oh no, there we go. Finally! Not the best camera in the world for this kind of thing, but you can see that's not bad. You can see it there as well. Normal Samsung Galaxy coming up. Oh, by Android. That's quite nice. It's on both sides. I like that. Nice. I have it in the silver grey colour. Is it called silver grey? Let's have a look on the box. What's it called? It is called Silver Shadow. So all the normal start and everything else. So what I need to do is set it up. Well, let's have a look first. Ooh, that sounds nice, isn't it? Hey, and there's the front screen. Oh, that does look rather nice, doesn't it? Oh, that's lovely. How is it? Can I? Oh, you can as well. One-handed operation. Try that again. So lift it up a little bit. If I'm under it. That's actually not bad. So I'll do it on this camera as well. So if I'm underneath it like that and just nice. Oh, that feels nice. Comparing that to that, this feels okay, but it feels big and bulky. This is a lot thinner and that's actually not bad. It feels nice and light. This, I've got used to this being quite big and bulky, but this is like really small. Has it in my pocket? I wonder. I shall test that in a minute. I need to set it up first, but that is kind of satisfying, isn't it? Oh, he likes that. Right, you set it up, and then we can do a bit of comparison. Won't be a minute. Okay, so I utilize Smart Switch, and I use the USB-C cable for that. So it's basically Samsung's own software that will transfer everything from your old phone to your new phone. So I transfer it from this one to this one, and it's pretty straightforward. When you start this one up, you put in language and various bits of information in your Samsung account and so on. And it asks you if you want to use Smart Switch. Then you pick up your old device and take a picture of the QR code that appears on screen. And that's pretty much it. You then plug them in and it'll transfer everything. And it's transferred. The only thing it can't transfer is WhatsApp. So do a backup of WhatsApp first in the app itself, and then download it from the cloud into your new phone once you've installed WhatsApp and everything else. But I've not done that yet because I haven't actually moved the SIM card. So I've not done that yet, but I will do soon. So a quick look at it. Let's have a look how the fingerprint scanner is. Pretty good. That's unlocked. I like this. Yeah, I keep turning it off. I do like that. So this main screen, you can have various different apps. Not showing up very well because of the brightness of the screen. I might turn down the brightness. See if that works better. Oh, that's better. Right. So we've got that I can do all of this stuff on. Various different, I'll put it this way so you can see it properly because I'm an idiot. Right, so you can see various different apps available. And you can set these up. And so that's for my earbuds, calendar, all your fitness and voice recording. Calculator's quite good. Nice size. And obviously fitness and stuff. Weather, alarm, calendar, and a bigger calendar view. My earbuds, and then various different bits and pieces. So you can got Netflix. So you can run things from the little screen. Also, I've set up cards here. I've actually used Good Lock, which is Samsung's kind of do everything on your phone. It will actually allow you to customize your phone even more than you normally can with an Android. It's pretty good. I'm just going to swipe down. You can't change what settings there are on this. So if you swipe down, you only have those settings. That's it. Just the basic ones. There's not a lot you can do, unfortunately. So you have torch, Wi-Fi, sound, Bluetooth, airplane mode. Can't remember what that one is. And that's for the camera and data and so on. So there's various different things. Not a lot you can do on there, unfortunately, but it's enough. If you want to change the lock screen, you just click there and change it. There's different ways you can customize different lock screens and have different things and create your own, but I'm going to use that one for now because it's kind of fun. And when you tip it, all the doggies fall around everywhere. Ah! And you can move them around as well. So that's quite cool. I do like that feature. So a little bit about what is on this. So this screen itself is a 3.4 inch Super AMOLED 720 by 748 60 Hertz 306 pixels per inch, which isn't bad for what it is. The cameras, we have two cameras on it. Last year wasn't quite as good as this year, so it's definitely an improvement. So we have, first of all, is a 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 50 megapixel dual pixel camera, and on the inside then we've got a 10 megapixel, which is pointless, so I'm not even going to talk much about that. It's got a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 12 gigabytes of RAM. This version has 512 gigabytes of storage. You can get the 256 as well, but there's no 1 terabyte version like you would get on the Fold or the full size flagship phones for the year. So a little bit less. So 4,000 milliamp battery, a little bit less than the Fold, but then it's a lot smaller, so it should last a bit longer. 25 watt super fast charging and fast wireless charging 2.0. Samsung's website actually then states that it doesn't have wireless power share, but it does. I've tested it. It does have wireless power share, so that's pretty useful as well. I do quite like having that. It's good for like charging your phone, your headphones, and it's good for charging like headsets, watches, and things like that on the go. So that's pretty good. It has all the Galaxy AI features, so Google Circle Search and all the translators and all the other things, but I'll try and cover that in another video. So that's the basic things of this. The size of it is kind of nice. So when it's open, it is actually, flip it around, slightly bigger than the Fold. This is the Fold 5. So it is slightly bigger dimensions when it's unfolded. Obviously, if you unfold that, it's a lot bigger. But that's one of the reasons why I wanted this, because I found I wasn't unfolding my Fold often enough. Just because the screen is a decent size there. I'll unlock it. Gas, run out of battery. So the screen is a decent size there. Can I... Okay, so there we go. So the screen is a size that is usable. So I tend to use that for everything. I forget to open up because it's bulky, it's big, it's kind of annoying. Whereas this, if I'm using the phone, then it's going to be that size, isn't it? Come on. Why is it not unlocking? That's a good start. Wants me to use my pin. Get that out. All right, so as I was saying, if I'm going to use a phone in that format, then why don't I just have this? And then when I'm not using it, I put it away in my pocket and it's nice and small. Now that compared with that, like, look, fits in pocket a lot better. Okay, it's just as thick as that, pretty much, but it's half the size, so it's going to fit better in the pocket. I'm not actually tried to put it in my pocket. Let's put it in my pocket. You can't see that, but that fits like really well. That is so much better. So much better. So much better. So much better. Right. So the main reason I wanted this compared to this, let me show you something. So what I have tried to do, because I like doing vlogs occasionally, I don't often get a chance just because work and everything else get busy, and I just don't have time. So if I open the camera app, got a video. Now I'm either using the camera on the back, which I can't see what I'm doing because I can't see the screen, or I switch it and use the front-facing camera there. The one under the one on top of the screen, which is crap, and it's like 10 megapixel. I don't want to take a video with 10 megapixel camera. So what I would then do is open it up. Once again, crappy little camera. Another 4 megapixel camera. This under the display. What is the point of that? So instead of that, oh, have I not got the option? All right, so I need to change back. Press that button. Cover screen turned on. So now I have the good 50 megapixel camera there. Excellent, you say, but it's just awkward to hold because the screen's on the back, so I'm trying to be careful not to press them. But see, there's right, and there's the controls. So that's now turned off. You have to unlock it first. So now you've got that, but you have to hold it, and it's like, which way up do you hold it? And if you want to do it that way, it's holding a tablet now. This isn't convenient to, no, if I'm doing that, see, it depends which way up it is. Do you have to do it that way and hold it above it? It just doesn't feel natural. It's awkward. You have a couple of steps. So we have this one. I want to take a video of myself because, you know, that's the way. Right on the lock screen, you can see there's a camera icon. Do that. Oh, look. Video. And I'm suddenly taking a video with a 50 megapixel camera. The good camera. I'm taking a video like that. It's small. I can hold it. If I want to take a video not of me, I can change to the other one. How do I change the other one? All right. Change to that mode. If you do that, you've now got a camcorder. Got the buttons there, and you can literally hold it like that and use it like a camcorder. This thing, you've got a brick, and it never feels natural, you know, doing that and taking pictures. It drives me mad because I had hoped this would be the solution. It's not. This is. Once again, unlock it, swipe up. I've now got a camera, go across. Once I learn to use it properly, don't swipe too far, I've got video. The advantage of this as well, look, I don't need a tripod. Put it on a desk. Done. Put it that way if you want to. And prop it up on something. But it's got so many features that go with that. That's what I wanted. I'll do a proper test of it and show some difference in the video between the two. But that's what I wanted it for. That's what I needed. And that's what I'm going to try now. That's why I've got it. Because I love big phones. I love the pen. I don't like the fact the pen doesn't fit in it. It's this stupid thing on the back which costs even more money. It's awkward to get out. Doesn't feel very good. I did buy the bigger pen. Look at that. It's tiny. It's not very comfortable. It's weird. I don't like it. I tried it and tried it and tried it. I just give up trying to use it. I used to use notes all the time, and I like drawing on it, but I've got a tablet that also has a pen, so I'm going to stick with that. That's really about it. I'm going to try this for a couple of days. I will then come back and tell you what I think of it. Hopefully it'll be good. I think it will be, because already it feels great. It's like it fits in the palm of my hand. How small is that? That is amazing. I could probably fit it in, like, a shirt pocket or something. I did order a case for it, but Amazon will let me down. It's not arrived. So that's a little bit of frustration, because I don't like not having a case on my phone. But I've still got some setting up to do. I've got to put the SIM card in. But other than that, I'm ready to go. Smart Switch did everything for me. It's all very good. I've also got on here an app. If you never use it, it's an absolutely brilliant app. I shall find it now. It's called Good Lock. Let me see that. I'll put it this way so you can see it. Right, let me. I don't mean to do that. Right, how is that compared? All right, there we go. So Good Lock. Come on. Right, so Good Lock is Samsung's do everything, change everything you want. You can create your own keyboards and different layouts and themes, and do lots of different stuff. You can do stuff with the lock screen on this. It's brilliant. If you've got a Samsung, you haven't tried Good Lock, get it. It allows you to do everything. That's how I've got so many things on the home screen here. So I'll put it this way. So things I could do is add that. So I can do YouTube. And it's full on YouTube. And the sound is pretty good. I'll do a little bit more testing with the sound. But the sound quality in this I found to be really nice so far. On par with that. That's it. It's a fantastic piece of kit. I'm really chuffed. I can't wait to spend some time with it. And I shall come back in a couple of days and let you know how I get on. But everything's on there. My watch is on there. My ring is on there. My headphones are on there. Everything. It took a couple of hours to port everything over. But it's got everything. All my documents, all my files, all my pictures, all my contacts. Everything's done. It's so simple. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching, and join me again soon when I shall be doing a follow-up on this and comparing the two devices. I already think this one might win for what I want it for, and I'll also be doing some reviews of some other bits of bits. I've got a ring coming soon, so we shall see. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining me, and join me again soon. Bye-bye for now.